Just finished masking off the window that goes above the firewall on the 205 and have sprayed primer down. So we're waiting for that to dry. This is a great opportunity now to put these two pieces together, hopefully. Got our sub-assembly back here with the engine, transmission, axles, brakes, suspension, plugging into the chassis. We've glued on the rear fender wells there. This is going to be a fairly tricky one because this angle of the window, I said firewall. The firewall is actually already in here. The window has to match this part of the firewall. So it has to be at the same angle for this. So we're going to do our best to line this up because if this doesn't match, this makes this part all out of whack. So we're going to do our best here. I'm going to use this. It takes a little longer to set, and then we're going to try and hurry up and put this in here and see how we do. A lot of the paintwork here was done with all-clad, airbrushing it. This has been a lot of my first attempts at airbrushing all-clad. Like the way it goes down, and the polished aluminum is what you're looking at with that little catch can. At least that's what it looks like to me. Then I also used a marker that my friend John got for me to do the flat black bands around the catch can, and you'll see a little later there's some other parts that have little tiny flat black marks on them. I used this particular marker and it works excellent. Last bit we're going to do here is some of the cooling for the engine, and again just put a wash over this just to give it some depth, make it look run in. So let's add those and I think we'll be done for the day. I think we've done it.